How to remove all website data in Safari on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to Safari. In Safari, scroll down again. And below, you can see the advanced. Okay, you can tap the advanced. And now you can see the website data. So you can tap the website data. And now you can see the all website data on this screen. So to remove all this website, you'll have to do is tap the remove all website data button below. And the pop-up will show, okay, this will clear data that could be used for tracking but is also used by website to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. So you can tap the remove now button to remove all website data on your Safari. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully removed all website data in Safari on iPhone X.